You can't even see my shirt. Get up there. You know what? I need something higher. But then you can't see my face. Anyway, what's up guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you are new here, make sure you go ahead and like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you are officially a part of my journey. Yeah. Alright, so today I'm going to be showing you guys how I put on my wig that I purchased from Amazon, because your girl have plans. My sister is coming and we are going out for the weekend and I can't wait. So I'm preparing myself, getting ready for the weekend. Alright, so this is the wig. The lace is, oh gosh, it's so dark. Back up, back up, back up, back up. The lace is super light. I do not have time to bleach knots and dye and all that stuff. I'm gonna get as close as I can to the hairline. I wish you guys could see, but y'all can't see. Alright, so this is what we are looking at now. You can't even really see it, but yeah, let me see. Now I'm just gonna try it on. Ooh. Yeah, so I'm just gonna add some of my foundation, and then I'm gonna glue this baby down. So this is my super quick and easy way to have my my lace looking like my skin tone. So what I'm using is, I'm using my contour palette. I'm using the True Complexion contour palette from, what is it, dark to medium, from medium to dark. Ooh. Focus. And I'm using the darker shade, which is the contour. This is what I use to contour my nose whenever I'm contouring. And as you guys can see, now it looks more towards my complexion. Is it gonna focus? There we go. See that? All right, so now I'm just gonna try it on to see where I want to line this baby up. With my brush. Yo, I don't even need to glue this down, but I am going to. You guys can't even see. Alright. Alright, now I'm going to just flip her back. Just like that, and I'm using the Got to Be glue. And I'm placing this right in front of the cap. I'm just using the tail of the comb to like press down on the lace. Your girl is securing this wig. So I'm just dabbing the tail of the comb on the glue to get like a little on it, so I can sweep the hair towards the front without doing the whole baby hair, just like a little bit in front of the lace. I'm not really a fan of baby hairs. Alright, and now just gonna tie it down for a little bit so that it dries. Oh yeah. Alright, and now we wait. And this is it, guys. I really hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you enjoyed it, give this video a thumbs up. There's a fly in here. What the freak? If you enjoyed this video, give this video a thumb. Oh, Vane, go away. If you all right, for the last time, if you enjoyed this video, go ahead and give this video a thumbs up. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on your notification bell so that you are officially a part of my journey. Peace. Wait. Don't forget to check out my website. I have new lashes available, and I have merch. The Melesia, I can't even say my own name. The melesiarobinson merch. These t-shirts are available for males and females. These t-shirts are available for men and women. Yes, these t-shirts are available for men and women. So go ahead, focus, and cop you up here. And don't forget to check out the lashes. Alright guys, see ya in the next video. Oh, babe, go away. Hey guys, and welcome back to my channel. If you guys want to see how I achieved this look, stay tuned. Hey guys, and welcome back to my YouTube channel. If you guys want to see how I achieved that was horrible. Just my forehead.